Greetings from Ophthall Practice Development. We welcome you to participate in India's first virtual job expo for ophthalmologists and eye hospitals, which is planned on July 30 and 31st of this year. It's a huge challenge for both eye hospitals to recruit manpower such as ophthalmologists and optometrists. On the other hand, there is a huge challenge for ophthalmologists and optometrists to find out good hospitals to work. So basically, to address this challenge, we are organizing this 2 days virtual job fair where ophthalmologists and optometrists and eye hospitals can interact and recruit the candidates whom they need for their future potential growth. Let me share you the Job Expo platform to show you how this Job Expo is actually going to work. So through the platform, basically it's called ophthalmologist.virtualexpos.online. The lobby area will display the participating eye hospitals, all the hospitals which are going to participate. And in the exhibit hall, the hospitals will get their own exclusive stall. And through this stall is totally customizable for each eye hospital with the logos and the details of facilities available in the hospital. And this stall also will contain all facilities such as the website of the hospital can be linked where candidates can log in and see the facilities available in the hospital. There is an option to schedule a call with the HR team during the 2 days of the expo, where ophthalmologists and optometrists can directly interact with the hospitals. There is also an option to schedule a video call. There is also an option to live chat where ophthalmologists and those job seekers can live chat with the eye hospitals. The contact info of the hospital can also be displayed, and the corporate video of the hospital shall also be displayed in this. So the hospitals will have a full opportunity to display the facilities, and the ophthalmologist will also have opportunity to interact with the eye hospitals. In addition to this, each eye hospital will also get a particular time to participate in the live session where they will be able to talk about their offerings and to the ophthalmologist. So how do you register for this expo? You have to go to our website www.ophthalmologist.in and go into the Ophthalmologist virtual job fair and fill up the form. This expo is totally free for job seekers, and there is a very minimal charge applicable for the eye hospitals to participate. And you go to this web page www.ophthalmologist.in, and then the hospitals can select their organization type and they can fill in basic information and register for this expo. Job seekers can also register for this, basically selecting the category, and there is also an option to upload the CV. So we hope that this is going to be the first part of our expo, and we hope that you will be able to participate in our future job fairs also, and this will create a huge impact in solving the manpower issues of eye hospitals and ophthalmologists. Thank you for your patient hearing. For more information, visit our website www.ophthalmologist.in.